Sections of the head. Plate 1, the fold of dura mater, falx cerebri, anterior part of the superior sagittal sinus, posterior part of superior sagittal sinus, left and right cerebral hemispheres. Plate number 2, the same structures, right and left cerebrum, superior sagittal sinus, falx cerebri. Plate number 3, superior sagittal sinus, falx cerebri, anterior horn of the lateral ventricle, inferior horn of the lateral ventricle, straight sinus, superior sagittal sinus. Plate number 4, superior sagittal sinus, straight sinus, anterior horn, inferior horn of the lateral ventricle. Plate number 5, frontal air sinuses, superior sagittal sinus, inferior horn of the lateral ventricle, straight sinus, superior sagittal sinus. Plate number 6, orbit, superior oblique muscle, anterior cerebral artery, middle cerebral artery, optic nerves, optic chiasma, optic tracts, pituitary gland, midbrain, straight sinus, superior sagittal sinus. Plate number 7, orbit, ethmoidal air sinuses, sphenoidal air sinuses, internal carotid artery, cavernous sinus, basilar artery, midbrain, cerebellum, optic nerves, oculomotor nerves, straight sinus, superior sagittal sinus. Number 8, ethmoidal air sinuses, sphenoidal air sinuses, cavernous sinus, internal carotid artery, basilar artery, posterior intercavernous sinus, trigeminal nerves, pons, cerebellum, right and left transverse sinuses, confluence of the sinus, right and left superior petrosal sinuses, inferior rectus, lateral rectus muscle. Plate number 9, ethmoidal air sinuses, sphenoidal air sinus, frontal air sinus, cavernous sinus, internal carotid artery, oculomotor nerve, basilar artery, trigeminal nerve, occipital sinus, superior petrosal sinuses, right and left transverse sinuses. Ethmoidal sinuses, internal carotid artery, basilar artery, transverse sinuses, cerebellum, occipital sinus, internal jugular vein, sigmoid sinus, longus capitis, internal carotid artery, longus coeli, pons, cerebellum, orbit.